In the digital age, artists and creative professionals are increasingly turning to drawing tablets as essential tools for their craft. These devices combine the precision of traditional drawing with the versatility of digital technology, making them indispensable for everything from digital illustration to graphic design. With an ever-expanding market, it can be challenging to choose the right drawing tablet. These tablets offer a range of features to suit various needs and budgets, ensuring you can find the perfect canvas for your artistic expression. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Gammon PD1161. For those who don't possess an unlimited credit card, the PD1161 by Gammon offers a refreshing solution that won't break the bank. This drawing tablet boasts an 11.2-inch screen, delivering stunning 1080 pixel visuals that bring your artwork to life with precision. What sets it apart is its tilt technology, elevating the pressure sensitivity to ensure every stroke is not only accurate, but also visually captivating. The included stylus is a game changer as it operates without batteries, thanks to its innovative resonance technology, allowing artists to create without interruption day and night. To further enhance user experience, the PD1161 features customizable shortcut buttons, making it the perfect choice for budget-conscious designers seeking quality and affordability in one package. Huion H610 Pro. This tablet stands out as a powerhouse in its category, rivaling tablets that cost up to 30 times its price. This all-in-one tablet is a budget-friendly alternative that packs a punch, clocking in at roughly half the cost of an older generation Apple Pencil, sans the iPad. Huion Stylus is a star player, offering remarkable tilt and pressure control, boasting an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Remarkably, this level of sensitivity puts it on par with the high-end Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, which commands a price tag nearly 39 times that of the Huion. Similar to its premium counterpart, the Huion Stylus operates without the need for batteries, harnessing the power of a magnetic field for its electrical transfer. Furthermore, it comes equipped with 8 nibs and a handy stand, though some users have noted an occasional issue with the nibs falling out. Adding to its versatility, the H610 Pro features a cord that allows seamless connectivity with phones, tablets, Macs, and PCs. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice for newcomers venturing into the realm of digital art, as well as budget-conscious digital artists looking to maximize their creative potential without breaking the bank. XP Pen Artist Pro. This drawing tablet offers artists an array of customization options, streamlining access to their frequently used tools at the mere touch of a button. Sporting an impressive 60 degrees of tilt and an impressive 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, this device not only matches but often surpasses its competitors in terms of performance. What truly distinguishes this drawing tablet is its standout feature, a generous 13.3-inch display boasting a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Unlike traditional tablets that rely on connecting to a computer, this standalone unit empowers artists to unleash their creativity virtually anywhere they go. Remarkably, it managed to offer this remarkable combination of features at a price point of under $300, making it an affordable option without compromising on quality and precision. Frequent sales only sweeten the deal, making the XP Pen Artist 13.3 an ideal choice for those seeking portable drawing capabilities without denting their entire paycheck. Apple iPad Air 5th Gen. The latest iteration of the iPad Air, the Apple iPad Air 5th generation, stands as a truly remarkable tablet. It comes equipped with Apple's potent M1 silicon chip, a cutting-edge processor that has been making waves across Apple's range of laptops, computers, and tablets, endowing them with formidable computing power. The 5th generation iPad Air boasts the M1 chip, a remarkable 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel, which yields an impressive pixel density of 264 pixels per inch and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. It's an unequivocal powerhouse in terms of performance. Truly sets the Apple iPad Air 5th Gen apart and solidifies its position as one of the finest drawing tablets on the market is its seamless compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2. This compatibility delivers an exceptional smooth and natural digital drawing experience that has garnered praise in our comprehensive review of the tablet. Furthermore, the tablet successfully bridges the gap between the iPad Air line and the flagship iPad Pro series. While the iPad Pros may offer brighter screens and faster refresh rates, they also come with a heftier price tag. This is precisely why the iPad Air emerges as our top choice for the best Apple drawing tablet, as it strikes an excellent balance between performance and affordability. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 stands out as the ultimate drawing tablet, suitable for a broad spectrum of users, from novices just starting out to seasoned professionals honing their craft. Its centerpiece is a spacious 15.6-inch glass display boasting a generously large 13.6 by 8.6-inch active area, ensuring ample room for expressive, lag-free drawing experiences. What sets it apart is its thoughtful design, featuring an anti-glare coating that effectively minimizes distracting reflections while adding a subtle friction, closely simulating the tactile sensation of drawing on traditional paper. The strategically positioned express keys are discreetly located on the tablet's rear edge, preserving valuable screen real estate for creative work. This relatively compact tablet establishes a seamless connection to your computer via an HDMI cable, delivering superior video quality compared to a USB connection. Additionally, it incorporates foldable legs, allowing for an adjustable incline of up to 19 degrees, ensuring ergonomic comfort during long drawing sessions. The Cintiq 16's battery-free cordless pen proves to be another asset, combining a lightweight design with exceptional pressure sensitivity, providing a natural and familiar feel akin to using a traditional pen. Furthermore, this pen can tilt up to 60 degrees, offering enhanced versatility for artists. The tablet's anti-jitter technology further enhances precision, guaranteeing smooth and flawless lines, whether you're using the versatile pen or the tablet's high-quality surface. In summary, the Wacom Cintiq 16 emerges as a well-rounded drawing tablet that caters to both hobbyists and professionals, embodying a perfect blend of functionality, performance, and user-friendly design. Choosing the right drawing tablet can significantly impact your creative work, whether you're an aspiring artist, a professional illustrator, or a graphic designer. The 5 drawing tablets discussed in this post represent some of the best options available today, each with its own strengths and unique features. Before making your decision, consider your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Whether you prioritize pressure sensitivity, screen size, or portability, there's a tablet that can accommodate your creative vision. So, dive into the world of digital artistry with confidence, armed with the knowledge that your chosen drawing tablet will be a valuable tool in bringing your creative ideas to life. Whether you're sketching, painting, or designing, these tablets will be your trusted companions on your artistic journey. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.